And we leave Disneyland Park and enter the odd world of Batu.
This is so cool. A pile of droids.
Coca-Cola cart. Where they sell little thermal detonators full of Coke. Or some Dasani. There's Doc Ondar's Roasters right there.
That must be the way towards the
Rise.
Yeah, the rise. Back there. Wow. Oh, is the one-eyed creature? I'm gonna need to wet my whistle. Oh, look at this stuff. Oh my gosh. Look at these hand-carved space things that a droid made into a barbecue grill.
Craftsman area. Got a child-sized land speeder and some smaller crafts.
You get your draconian boat. Oh, right sides of the boat.
Right sons.
I don't even know where I pulled that from.
This is Ronto's Roasters, where they're roasting the Ronto meat over a open flame here. Over here we got some, looks like some Jedi theming. Must be a shop of some nature.
There's a store. Oh wow. Oh, There's your helmet.
Yeah.
Oh, fun.
Oh, that's a cool little
That's
bag.
a cool bag. Little place to put your trinkets.
Mm-hmm.
Nice. Wow, you can get like a set of 4.
Mm-hmm.
And a cane.
Tiny cane.
It's really tiny. For youngins or for, you know.
There's a little, here's a sarlacc, and then what's underneath the sarlacc. So this is what what Boba Fett had to crawl his way out of.
That Princess Leia head. You can buy the hair.
Emperor Palpatine bust and a Jedi holocron.
We have a creature here. It winked just now. I like it. That's a slimy dude.
There's Doc Ondar himself holding court.
2 pilots, 2 gunners, 2 pilots.
Holocrons and crystals, kyber crystals and whatnot. And then as we turn around the corner, we have the Millennium Falcon.
Millennium.
We're good. We're
Wow.
Smugglers Run ride where you pilot the Millennium Falcon.
They had a single rider. Although they got rid of it.
Not yet, they're working on it.
First holding room.
Unfortunate technical difficulty. Boring conversation anyway. Aha! Another group of flight candidates. Welcome, my friends. Welcome, welcome. What a fine-looking group of flight professionals. You remind me of me. But without the bonding of your heads. Recognize a few of you. You've flown for me before. I can't believe you made it back. It's good you made it back. Good for you.
Pablo, one of the engines blew up again.
We'll talk later. I have to do everything around here. Yes. Hello, my friends. I am Hondo Onaka, and this is Onaka transport solutions. Today, I am offering the opportunity of a lifetime. I need flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy. Pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, and gunners to defend the shipments. And that is where you come in. Oh, the Millennium Falcon. On loan for some very fast and very profitable expeditions. Chewbacca, my fine furry friend. Yes, as we agreed. You let us use the ship, we'll get you the supplies you need. It's a win-win. You help the resistance, and I get all the profits. Wow, the First Order will never know we were there. Okay, time to go, so, bye-bye. We better go before he changes his mind. Move along, my friends. Listen carefully and remember, the better you work together, the more you earn. And if...
Oh, I didn't get a shirt for that. Yeah, they look great.
Old school.
Yeah. Wow.
Holding area.
He'd be good at it, yeah, absolutely.
Takes you to the planet Corellia. You will be intercepting a first order train shipment of coaxium. Gunner, ghosts. You're still here, go.
I don't want to ruin everybody's ride.
We have a better chance.
Permanezcan sentados y cuide a los niños. Gracias.
Flight engineers, repair test. Hit your flashing buttons. Only one engineer. Well, I'll do what I can to help out. Right, pilot. Push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left. Move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right. Pull back on the stick to fly out. And push forward to fly down. Oh, watch it. Chewie makes flying this thing look easy, eh? Weapons are online. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Now let's go get that coaxium. Right pilot, make the jump to light speed.
Make the jump. Hold him. Yep. Yeah.
Those heavy ties are protecting the train. Take them out! They've locked onto us. Take evasive action! Gunners, we need to defend ourselves. Open fire! Ah, there it is. After that train! Flight engineers, fire the harpoons! Excellent. Now, gunners, shoot the cargo free! Left pilot, brakes! Oh, my friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. Now power up the ship. Well, I gladly go axiom. You see, just as I promised, my friend. Come on, let's get another container of coaxium. Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Flight engineers, fire the harpoons and reel us in. Gunners, shoot the train. Engineers, reel us closer. Gunship? Oh, that's ridiculous. Things are getting Falcon. We've got to get out of here. Yes, a distraction. Fire the missiles at the train. Hurry. It's coming down. Let's pilot. Hit the boosters. Boost. We did not die. Let's get out of here. Yes, Chewie will pilot us in remotely. You retrieved one container of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now, after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is... Oh, that is rough.
Ouch.
I didn't know I was a damn shooter.
Oh, wait. I'm afraid we have picked up a hitchhiker. All fine. Scan the exterior of the Falcon for life forms. You see, this happens sometimes when you travel through uncharted regions of the galaxy as much as I do. It is not unusual to find a stray species or two clinging to the hull.
Clinging to the hull.
Nothing, but keep looking. The last thing I want is to let another Ratha loose in here. I am not cleaning that out. Did you hear that? It's right over my cockpit. What is it? With tentacles, I hate tentacles. Have it. Time to do the go. Don't worry, the payment is on the way. Trust me.
I have as much trouble with these as I do regular seatbelts. I can't get up. There we go. Wow.
Thank you for starting today.
It busted the ship. Wow. Oh gosh, no, right there. Help us drive home.
It was super fun.
It was. Oh, I'm glad you got to do the other pilot side. So now when we go on it again, we'll try to get you pilot. I had to fire off some crazy weapon. I don't know what it was.